Receive expected shipments in Oracle Cloud. Hi, it's Linus, and in today's video you will learn about receiving using the example of an in-transit inter-organization transfer that we're going to receive at the destination organization. So we're performing this receipt because in the previous video we created an in-transit inter-organization transfer, and now the destination organization actually got the material at the gate. And what we want to do now is go ahead and receive it. To do that, we are in a demo environment here as Casey Brown, and we want to navigate to supply chain execution and then inventory management. And in inventory management, what we're going to do is click on the task panel and then switch up here to receipts. This will open a whole new list of tasks that we can perform here. And what we want to do now is receive expected shipments. So the first thing that you have to check now as you're in here is what inventory organization you're actually in. Because this is the inventory organization that we created the in-transit transfer in. But we need to go into the destination organization to actually be able to receive it. So let's change the organization because this transfer we made to 002. Click on OK. Task panel again. And receive expected shipments. And now if you search for it, tap out, just looking for my item here, click on search, you will see the in-transit inter-organization transfer. And you see the document type here saying in-transit shipment. So highlight this line and click on receive. So this opens this page here where we can receive the different lines. Obviously I only have one line to receive. But there's something very important here I want to show you. And that's this button up here where it says show receipt quantity. Because that's a button that a lot of companies do not want to have. Let me show you the reason for that. Because when I just click on this button, it will fill out the quantity automatically. And you can imagine that a lot of people will be lazy and not really count what they received. And just use this button, click on it, no matter how many quantities they got. That's why many companies hide this button, so you have to physically count and then put in the quantity that you actually received. Perfect, so now let's go ahead and create a receipt. This will lead you to the create receipt site. We don't really have to do anything here, so we just click on submit. So this is basically how we create a receipt in Oracle Cloud. What you will find now is that if you go to manage item quantities, you will already see these items in the second organization, but they will be in receiving. They're not in the on-hand quantity yet. That's because we first have to physically put away the material into our storage. And that's what we're going to cover in the next video.